are you all? Welcome to my online Pathshala for class 7th. Before summer vacation, we have completed our 3 chapters. Chapter number 1, integers. Chapter 2, fractions and decimals. Chapter 3, rational numbers. So today I am going to start with chapter 4, that is exponents and powers. Right? So I would suggest you all to like and subscribe this channel first, so whenever I upload my next video you will get the notification for that. Don't forget to write your name, class section in the comment box for daily attendance. Okay, so let's start. Chapter 4, exponents and powers. In previous class we had learnt about large numbers and the various operations involving them. Exponents help us in a smart and a compact way to express large number. Exponents means the exponent of a number says how many times to use the number in a multiplication. Here you can see I have multiplied 2. Here I have multiplied 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times. When you will multiply 2 with itself 8 times, then 256 will come. Clear? And we are multiplying 2 8 times, then we can write as 2 to the power of 8. Clear? So 2 to the power of 8, when you will multiply 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 to the 64, 64 to the 128 and 128 to the 256 will come. Clear? And if you have to find if you have to write that number in exponential notation, then you will write as 2 to the power of 8. This is called exponential notation. 2 to the power of 8 is called exponential notation. Clear? In which this 2 is called base and that power is called exponent or index, or you can say power. Clear? This 8 is called exponent, or you can say index, or you can say power. And this 2 is called base. Clear? And whole this number 2 to the power 8 is called exponential notation. How you will read this number? You will read this number as 2 to the power of 8, or you can say as 2 raised to the power 8. Any type you can read this number, 2 to the power of 8, or you can say 2 raised to the power 8. Right? For any rational number, so for any rational number a upon b, you know the rational number should be in the form of p upon q, a upon b, where a and b are integers and b is not equals to 0. Right? So for any rational number a upon b, any positive integer, and for any positive integer n, we have a upon b to the power n. That means we are multiplying a upon b, that rational number, n times, because here we don't have the last number. Clear? So here we will multiply till n times. So here a upon b, that a upon b is called the base and that power n is called the exponent, or you can say index, or you can say power. Clear? For example, 3 to the power 4, this is called exponential notation. If you have to convert this exponential notation in the large number, then how will you convert? You will just multiply this 3 4 times. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Clear? And when you will multiply, what will come? 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. Clear? Now similarly, minus 1 upon 5. If you have to multiply minus 1 upon 5 5 times, this is in the form of exponential notation. and you have to convert this rational number into a large rational number. Yeah, so what you will do, you will multiply minus 1 by 5 times. Yeah. So what will come? If you will multiply 1 5 times, then 1 ones are 1 only. So if you will multiply 5 times, then only numerator will be 1. Clear? And denominator, 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, 125 5s are 625, and 625 5s are 3125. Right? And here you can see minus 1. Minus sign is coming 5 times. Odd number of times. So with the answer you have to apply negative sign. That we have done in our integers chapter. Clear? So answer will be minus 1 upon 3125. Now minus 1 to the power odd number. If any negative number's power is odd, then with answer you have to apply negative sign. If any negative number power is even, then with answer you have to apply positive sign. Right? So for example, if you have to solve this minus 1 upon 2 to the power 4 times. So what you will do, that means you have to multiply minus 1 upon 2 4 times. Clear? That power says how many times that base you have to multiply. Minus 1 upon 2 is the base. Clear? So here when you will multiply, you can see the numerators. Numerators are 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. So when you will multiply, only 1 will come. And when you will multiply the denominators, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 will come. Yeah? Now here you can see minus signs power is 4. So minus sign power is 4 means 4 is an even number. So with answer you have to apply positive sign. So only answer will be 1 upon 16. Yeah? If you have to multiply minus 7 by 11 3 times, minus 7 by 11 to the power 3, if you have to convert this exponential notation into rational numbers. Clear? So what you will do, minus 7 by 11, because power is 3, then you have to multiply 3 times. When you will multiply, 7 7s are 49, 49 into 7 is 343. Upon 11 11s are 121, and 121 into 11 is 1331. Clear? And here you can see minus sign's power is 3, and 3 is an odd number. So with answer you have to apply negative sign. So here minus sign will come and answer will be minus 343 by 1331. Clear? If you have to convert a rational number in the form of exponential notation, in that case if you have to convert the large number, clear? So in exponential notation, so you will do that large numbers, that rational numbers factors. And how will you do its factor? By prime factorization method. Yeah, so first number which divides 2624, that is 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4. Then again divided by 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 5s are 10, 2 6 are 12. Yeah. Again you will divide it by 2 because last digits are coming even. Clear? So 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. then again 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 fours are 8, right? Then divided by 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4. Then divided by 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 41 will come, and you know 41 is a prime number, so it will divided by 41 only. So how will you write this number in exponential notation? You will write 2 base first, and how many times this 2 is coming here? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you will write 2 to the power 6, or you can say 2 raised to the power 6 into 41. Clear? Now similarly, if 81 by 625 is coming, so here 81, first you have to find the factors of 81 by prime factorization method. So first number which is divisible, that is which divides 81, that is 3. So 27 times. Then again 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Similarly, you have to find out the factors of 625. So first you have to divide it by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 fives are 25, then 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 fives are 25, 5, 5 fives are 25, 5 ones are 5. Yeah? Now convert into exponential notation. 81 now you can write as factors of 81 in terms of 3 are coming. So you will write 3 to the power, how many times 3 is coming? 1 2 3 4. So 3 to the power 4 upon 625. You can write in terms of 5, and how many times 5s are coming? 1 2 3 4. So 5 to the power 4. Clear? 3 to the power 4, 5 to the power 4. You can combine also. So 3 by 5 whole power 4, because here powers are coming same. So you will write 3 by 5 to the power 4. So this is the answer. Is it clear? Next is square. What is square? When a number is multiplied by itself, we get the square of the number. Like 3 into 3, the number multiplied by itself. 3 into 3. 3, you can write 3 to the power 2, and 3 into 3 is 9. Right? And how will you read? You can read as 3 to the power 2, 3 raised to the power 2, or you can say 3 squared. You can write only 3 squared. You can say as 3 squared. Clear? Similarly, minus 6 into minus 6. If you will multiply a number by itself, then what will come? What you will write first? Minus 6 to the power 2, because here 2 times you have to multiply. And minus 6 to the power 2 is 36. Clear? And how will you read? How will you read this exponential notation? You will read as minus 6 to the power 2, or you can say minus 6 raised to the power 2, or you can say minus 6 squared. Clear? The square of any number is always positive. The square of the whole numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 respectively are 1, 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, and so on. Here are called the perfect squares. So these are perfect squares. Clear? Now cube. When a number is multiplied with itself 3 times, we get the cube of the number. If we multiply the same number 3 times, then we will find its cube. You can write in the form of cube. So for example, 2 into 2 into 2, here we are multiplying 2 3 times. So 2 raised to the power 3 you will write in exponential notation, and when you will multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 will be the answer. And how will you read this 2 raised to the power 3? You will read as 2 raised to the power 3. You can read as 2 to the power 3, or you can say 2 cubed. What you will say? 2 cubed. Here you will say 2 cubed. Right? Here another example, minus 4 to the power 3. Here you have to multiply minus 4 3 times. When you will multiply 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. And minus sign are coming 3 times. So with answer you have to apply minus sign. So minus 64 will come. And how will you write it? You will write as minus 4 to the power 3. Right? Okay. So how will you read minus 4 to the power 3? Or you can say minus 4 raised to the power 3. Or you can say minus 4 cubed. Clear? So based on these topics, I am giving you some numericals. Do in your classwork notebook. If any query, then you can write in comment section. PDF of this home task is also available in description below. Okay, till then, bye bye. Take care.